In the early days of soaring, gliders used to look like this, a reproduction of a Wright glider once tested in the full-scale tunnel at NASA's Langley Research Center. Then along came a Langley researcher in the 1940s and 50s, Francis Rogallo, and the Rogallo wing. The so-called father of hang gliding's design can be seen in the skies today, piloted by soaring enthusiasts and wowing spectators. Many of the faithful commemorated a century of soaring on North Carolina's Outer Banks, where on October 24th in 1911, Orville Wright made an historic 9-minute and 45-second glider flight. The goal of Soaring 100 was to celebrate that birth of modern soaring. At the Wright Brothers Memorial, NASA Langley technicians demonstrated how the science of flight has changed.
One of the things on the Harrier is that the vectored engines, they would turn them, the same thing as the Osprey, is they would turn the engines and vector the thrusting to give it this takeoff and landing. And it's doing the same thing with this, you know, it turns and varies its thrust as it does on the Osprey also.
Nearby at Jockey's Ridge State Park, an exhibit from NASA's Johnson Space Center helped visitors soar far above the clouds and into space. They even had a chance to feel a piece of the moon.
You know, you touch the Earth rocks all the time and you don't think much about it. And then you touch something that comes from outer space. That's pretty neat.
Another Soaring 100 attraction that participants found pretty neat? A man dressed up as one of the Tusken Raiders from the movie Star Wars.